Full time, Tottenham 2, Arsenal 1. A disappointing day for us as we could not get the result we needed and we lost to our arch rival Spurs, a team that we hate losing to. But unfortunately, it happened. We did not start the first half very well as Harry Kane had gotten behind the defense and he tried to chip Emi Martinez, and Emi Martinez had to be on alert to prevent that chip from going in, and he got his hands to it. We did take the lead in the 16th minute through Lacazette, a brilliant shot from distance, and it beat Lloris at his near post from some distance. But 3 minutes later, we throw away the lead in typical Arsenal fashion. Poor defending from Kolasinac and David Luiz. A back pass from Kolasinac to David Luiz. David Luiz wasn't paying attention, and Son got the better of him and managed to clip the ball over Emi Martinez to make it 1-1. And Davis had a shot from distance that hit the post. Actually, Martinez tipped it onto the bar. So it was technically a good save from Emi Martinez. We had some half chances in the first half. A couple of shots from Pepe, one that went just wide, and then there was the other where Hugo Lloris made a simple save from. So at halftime it was 1-1, but Spurs were doing a lot of attacking, little more attacking than us in the first half. In the second half we had more possession and we had a couple of chances through Aubameyang. Aubameyang hit the post after good work from Lacazette and he forced a good save from Lloris thereafter. Spurs had 2 banks of 4, typical Mourinho fashion, and were trying to counter-attack but were not able to get enough opportunities to do that. But after the 70th minute mark, Harry Kane was getting in a lot more in behind our defense. He forced a save from Emi Martinez. Son also forced another save from Martinez. And in the 84th minute, Spurs score from a corner. Son's corner. Toby Alderweireld's header had beaten Martinez. And our defending was quite slack and Tierney should have marked him a lot better. And as a result, Spurs get their second goal, which ended up being the winning goal. And we couldn't do anything there after that. And I felt Arteta made the substitutions way too late. He should have made them at least 10 minutes before that. He should have made it around the 70th minute mark. And I have no idea why Saka didn't start. He said he needed a rest. But I felt this was a game Saka should have played instead of Pepe. Because Pepe wasn't up to speed for this game. Yes, in my preview I mentioned I wanted Pepe. But looking at it, Saka should have definitely played. He's our most important player right now. One of our most important players after Aubameyang and Leno, So, it is what happened. It was a game of fine margins. We were not terrible, but we were just not good enough and we lacked that little bit extra oomph. So, let's get into the player ratings. Emi Martinez, I'm going to give him a 7.5 out of 10. He made some important saves from Harry Kane and Davis. Mustafi, he gets a 6 out of 10. He was slightly better amongst our centre backs. He looked a little bit sloppy towards the second half as Harry Kane got the best of him. But in the first half, he was somewhat decent. Kolasinac, 4 out of 10. What were you doing for the goal? You were very poor for that goal and your defending in general was not up to the mark. David Luiz, 3.5 out of 10. Again, poor defending from him. He failed to challenge Son and Son got the better of him. He outmuscled him. That's not good enough. And his defending in general was again poor. Tierney, he gets a 5.5 out of 10. He wasn't very good today. His overlaps were not the best and his defending was not up to the mark. He's been quite good overall, but not this game. Bellerin gets a 6.5 out of 10. He made some good runs. He was always getting inside their box, but he lacked a final ball. He was making some dangerous overlaps and he always tried to find Lacazette or Aubameyang with his passes. Xhaka, he played a part in the goal, in the Laka goal. He gets a 7 out of 10. He also produced a good piece of skill in the second half to find Bellerin with an incisive pass. Ceballos gets a 6 out of 10. He wasn't terrible, but he wasn't producing any incisive passes, or he lacked the cutting edge. Aubameyang gets a 7 out of 10 because he hit the post and he went close. Lacazette gets a 7.5 out of 10. He scored a beautiful goal and he created a chance for Oba on the other one. Pepe gets a 6 out of 10. His passing was poor in the first half, but he had a couple of attempts thereafter and he always tried to penetrate but lacked something. I'm not going to give the substitutes any rating because the ones that came on too late, the three of them, like Willock, Nelson, and Saka. I'll probably give a 5 out of 10 because he didn't do anything too bad, but he wasn't able to contribute to a goal or contribute to any offensive action. So there we have it. Thanks for watching, and until then, have a good day, although it's very difficult to say that when you lose to Spurs as a winner. Bye.